We all want to get rich, and we want to get rich yesterday. And when we see headlines like this, most of us want to put all of our savings in a meme coin and ride it to the moon. I want you to have the exact opposite reaction to this after I tell you that as a student in Germany, you are allowed to invest in crypto even if you are a non-EU student. Hey friends, welcome to part 5 of my new series on personal finance for students in Germany. If you're new here, my name is Ahsan. I'm a researcher, and on this channel, we explore the strategies and tools that can help us achieve financial freedom. Students are allowed to buy, trade, and even stake cryptocurrency tokens. To get started with crypto investing or trading, you need to open an account with a crypto exchange. The issue here is that it can be very overwhelming. If you look at a crypto exchange, there are so many different coins and so many different tokens. There are many dedicated exchanges out there, for example Binance and Coinbase. Again, I have videos on all of these exchanges, and you can use my links in the description to get special offers as well. That said, you can also use eToro, Trade Republic, and Scalable Capital to invest in certain cryptocurrencies as well. But these three apps do have certain limitations as they are not conventional cryptocurrency exchanges. You can easily open an account with Binance and Coinbase within a couple of minutes and buy your first crypto using a credit card or a debit card. With eToro, you have an option of using PayPal as well. But if you want to buy crypto with eToro, I highly recommend that you watch this video first. In Germany, you do not need special permission from anyone to trade crypto using your own money, as long as you are not doing this professionally, meaning that you're not sacrificing the time you need to complete your studies. Now, it's impossible to determine if you are sacrificing your study time in favor of trading, but a general example would be extending your semester period unnecessarily. But you know what is absolutely necessary? That you hit the like button and subscribe. All jokes aside, when we look at crypto, most of us want to get rich quickly. Let's look at Dogecoin, for example. If you had just bought $100 worth of Dogecoin in January 2021, in just 4 months, in May 2021, you would have gained a profit of 6,800%. But that's just one half of the story. If you had bought 100 euros worth of Dogecoin in 2021, it would be just worth $24. I wanted to mention the Dogecoin example because as a student, I want you to be extra careful about how you invest your money. Moonshots are possible, but for an overwhelmingly large number of you, this is not going to be the reality. Here you need to be very sensible and invest responsibly. You can obviously do whatever you want with your own money, but I implore you to have a sensible approach. Talking about crypto taxes, if you hold your cryptocurrency for at least 1 year and sell it afterwards, there's going to be a 0% tax on it. For example, if you bought 100 euros worth of Bitcoin on 1st March 2022 and sold it on 2nd March 2023 for 300 euros, there will be absolutely no tax on it. But if you sell that crypto before 1 year, it is going to be taxed on your variable income tax rate. You will have to submit an income tax return and declare your profit. In the event that your profit was less than 600 euros, it will not be taxed and you do not have to submit a tax return because of this profit. Click here if you want to know step-by-step procedure of buying crypto, and here if you want to watch the other videos in the Personal Finance for Students in Germany series. Thanks for watching, bleib gesund, and I'll see you in this video.